Today, we're going to dive into something that's, becoming more and more critical every single day: digital trust. I mean, in a world where it feels like anything can be faked, how does a business prove that its official reports are the real deal? We're going to look at a system that's designed to bring that certainty and integrity right back where it belongs. And this question right here, it's a huge one. Just think about it for a second. All those calibration certificates, lab test results, compliance reports. I mean, the credibility of your entire business can literally rest on these pieces of paper. So, how do you prove that the report your client is holding is the genuine, unaltered one? That is the absolute core problem we're tackling today. So, what's the answer? Well, the solution we're looking at is a tool that aims to completely revolutionize this whole process. It's called the Magical QR and ULR generator, and honestly, its promise is right there in the name: to simplify something complex, secure something that's vulnerable, and make verification totally seamless for everyone involved. Okay, so what is this thing exactly? At its heart, it's a software as a service system built specifically for really technical environments. Think testing labs, calibration facilities, that kind of thing. It generates two super important things: a unique QR code and a unique laboratory report number, or ULR for short. Together, these two elements create this unbreakable, tamper-proof link straight back to the original document. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complicated, but the whole goal here is to make it completely effortless. Seriously. The workflow is designed to be incredibly straightforward, letting you generate these secure reports in just a few clicks without having to completely overhaul the way you already do things. Let's just break it down. It really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you log into the secure portal. Step 2, you upload your draft report. And 3, you download the final version, which now has its own unique QR code and URL number embedded right in it. That's it. No complicated training, no steep learning curve, done. Okay, so that's how you create a secure report. But what about the other side of the coin? How do your clients, or, any third party, actually verify it? This is where the system's design really shines. There are two incredibly simple ways for anyone to confirm a document's authenticity, and they can do it instantly. All right, the first and most direct way is a simple QR scan. Anyone with a smartphone can just point their camera at the code printed on the report. The second they do that, boom, it pulls up the original certified digital copy from the secure server. There's no guesswork, no doubt. The document on their screen is the exact one you issued. The second method is just as powerful. You can actually embed a search tool right onto your own website, and get this, it takes about 5 minutes to set up. From there, a client can just type in the ULR number from their report to confirm it's valid, or even request a certified digital copy. It pretty much creates a global search network, which makes verification accessible to anyone, anywhere. Of course, a system like this is only as good as the trust it inspires, right? So let's talk about the foundation that trust is built on. It's not just about cool features, it's about the rock-solid security, the proven compliance, and the growing global reach that back this entire system up. And this isn't just talk. It's all backed by serious proof. The system holds two of the most important international certifications out there: ISO 9001 for quality management, which means reliable processes, and ISO 27001 for information security, the global gold standard for protecting data. So this isn't a promise, it's certified. And if we dig a little deeper into the tech, the whole thing is built on Amazon Web Services, AWS, which is famous for its security and scale. All your data is protected with advanced encryption. And get this, every subscription comes with 50 gigabytes of secure storage. The bottom line is, your documents are protected by industry-leading infrastructure. And hey, this system isn't just some concept, it's a real, growing network. As you can see from these maps, it already has a huge and expanding presence across India, and it's even got international alliances, for example, in Nepal. This just goes to show it's a proven, reliable solution that's already trusted across different regions. So let's bring it all home. What does all of this actually mean for your business? Well, it's a real opportunity to modernize your entire report management process. It's about boosting your credibility by adopting a system that's literally built on trust, transparency, and, of course, efficiency. Ultimately, it all comes down to this really simple but powerful idea. In today's market, your reputation is everything. And by putting a reliable, verifiable system in place, you're sending a crystal clear message to your clients and your partners. We value integrity, we are transparent, and you can trust our word and our paperwork. So, at the end of the day, it's all about safeguarding your company's credibility. Using a tool like this is a huge step towards securing your documents and building that unshakable trust. If you're ready to modernize, you can check out more info at cpdtechnologies.in. The real question isn't just if you need a secure verification system, but how much longer you can really afford to wait.